In my previous short video, I told you about a new groundbreaking text-to-video AI model called Sora, which was recently announced by OpenAI. But there is a problem. The videos generated by Sora don't come with audio. Now, ElevenLabs, an AI voice research company, comes with a solution called AI Sound Effects, and it will generate sounds for videos based on prompts that you give it. Here are some examples. The videos are generated by Sora. ElevenLabs used them and generated audio with their AI model. Amazing, right? The official release date of this model hasn't been announced yet.